we're going to make a fake heart cake. So we have our boxes of assorted colors. I have whipped clay. I have some embellishments. You could also use regular sparkles to add to your whipped clay. I'm going to be using these sparkly scrapbooking stickers. Let's get started. So I have my boxes, and the first thing I'm going to do is actually put my scrapbooking stickers on so I could see how much space it takes up. That way I could do the frosting around it. So I have my whipped clay. It comes with a few different tips, and I have these flower embellishments. It reminds me of the sugar flowers that are on cake sometimes. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate with my icing and then put on some flowers as embellishments. I'm going to hold on to the edges because this is a box top. You don't want it to fall off the box. Just half the extra off. There we go. So that's the one that says cute and is super sparkly now. Alrighty, here are my cake gift boxes, and they turned out super cute. I went ahead and changed up the flowers, and I even added some pearl beads. So there we have it, 3 different cake boxes. So cute! And check this out, they're going to dry, and once they do, they will be gift boxes. So wonderful, and you could put whatever you want in there. So yeah, you have to let this dry. I would let it dry a few days to be careful. Okay, so maybe about 3 days, just be on the safe side. Welcome to The Life Authentic. If you like this video, click subscribe, give it a like, and hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.